Hi everyone, this is CTS Auto Service Repair. Today I'm working on a 2010 CX-9 Mazda. In this vehicle, I have a trouble code P0340. P0340. This trouble code is referring to the camshaft position sensor A, which is the bank 1, is having a bad signal on it. So there are three basic way for you to solve this kind of issue or problem. First, you first check the sensor, which is this sensor. You go ahead and inspect the sensor carefully by testing it. After testing it, it's working. You go ahead and service the sensor of this vehicle. Go ahead and service the sensor. Then you do the second step. You do an inspection on the wiring harness. You inspect the inside of it, whether the teeth are okay, whether there's no oil on it. Check the wire harness. If it's okay, you go ahead and service the sensor using an injector cleaner and a petrol for you can use. Then once this piston is moving up and down, you are good to go. Then the third step that you need to do is that you go ahead and set the timing of this vehicle. If you have done a servicing of this and you start the vehicle and it's still doing the same trouble code, guys, go ahead and service the timing, which is the second step. The timing is not correct. That's why it's giving a wrong signal from the brain box and directing to giving a trouble code that is not the issue of the issue. So go ahead and set the timing. It might be the timing have jumped. In my situation, I have a jump timing here. So go ahead and set the timing. I will show you guys how the timing mark and how to set it to be a perfect season. Then after you have done setting the timing and you have coupled everything about the vehicle, then it's still bringing out the trouble code. Then this is the final step for you to take. You go ahead and change the ECU, which is the brain box. It's not giving a good reading. It's not responding well, so you have a bad ECU. Go ahead and change it. I know this first and second step, I know you're going to have a solution from it. I believe from the first and the second, you must have a solution from it. Okay, guys, I will show you how the timing mark is and how I was able to set my timing properly. There are some basic way you have to use to set your timing. You can use the basics, the more easier and basic way. There's a timing mark on the chain. So go ahead and use the chain mark to set your timing once you know the outcome of it. Likewise here, if you can see, this is the timing mark and this is another one. This is for the camshaft. This camshaft. So it's setting properly. If you can set it like that, if you can see the other one, don't know you can see, sorry. Okay, you can see my timing mark over there. It's facing up. It's facing up. You can see the other one. You can see it's facing up. The mark is equal with the dot. There's a dot over there. Yeah, this is the dot. It's equal with the dot. Then likewise here too, you see there's a dot, and there's a dot here. You join the dot with this mark and you have a good timing. Then coming to the crankshaft, what you do is that you have to set this to the top dead center. You have to push the piston to the top dead center. You can use a dipstick like this to verify. Once it's at the top dead center, then still use the mark Hold on a bit, I'll show you guys. Okay, if you can see, is on the top day center now. If you can see, this is my mark and it's pointing at that dot. So when you are able to do this, you have the accurate timing setting on this vehicle and you have a positive outcome from it. Okay guys, this is how you set your timing, and this video is likewise to Ford Explorer and Ford Range. It's still the same engine they are using. You can still use it to set the same timing. Thanks for watching. This was CTS Auto Service Repair. Do to subscribe the channel and share this video to whoever that needs it. I know many people will need this kind of video. Go ahead and share the video and do well to subscribe to the channel to motivate me to do more video like this. And I hope you have a good result. Thanks for watching. This was CTS Auto Service Repair. God bless you.